Today, we'll move into the shield of your business. In maritime and seven-star hotels environments, a single safety breach isn't just a mistake, it is the legal and financial catastrophe. This series positions you as the man who protects the company from risk. In high-stakes engineering, you don't get a second chance to be safe. Whether it is a vessel in the middle of the Atlantic or a seven-star hotel tower, compliance is the only thing standing between operational success and a total shutdown. Today, we are diving into fleet safety and compliance, the regulations, policies, and procedures that protect your assets and more. And more importantly, your people. Compliance isn't just about following rules, it is about meeting international and local standards. We focus on three main pillars: regulatory standards. This includes DOT for land or IMO/MARPOL for maritime. You must know the laws of the territory you operate in. Compliance audits. If you aren't auditing your own fleet, someone else will, and it will cost you. We track everything from driver logs to emissions data. Risk management. Identifying the high probability failure before it happens. You can have the safest vehicle in the world, but if the operators isn't trained, you have a liability. And Elite Fleet Policies covers pre-trips inspections, the first looks that prevent 40% of roadside breakdown. Drivers' behaviors, using telematics to monitor harsh braking, speeding, and idle time. Continuous education. Safety isn't a one-time meeting, it is a culture. We implement safety incentive to reward the drivers who treat the equipment with respect. Here is the elite secret: if it isn't documented, it didn't happen. In a court of law or an insurance claim, your maintenance logs and safety certifications are your only defense. We move from paper files to digital time stamped logs that proves that every boat was tightened and every driver was briefed. Safety is the foundations of profit. You can't make money if your fleet is impounded or involved in litigation. In Series 4, we take this a step further by looking at maintenance and repair strategies, how to keep those safe vehicles running at peak performance. If you want a copy of safety audit template for your own team, comment safe below. Subscribe to SkillSphere and let's keep your operation above board.